Clamp the umbilical cord as closest as possible to the perineum. Place one hand just above the pubic bone and press downward toward the spine with hand. Press the clamp with two fingers and put gently and steady. Do not tug or jump the cord. As the cord exits, release the clamp. Position it near the perineum as the placental begins to deliver. Grip it with both hands and rotate the direction. The rotation doesn't matter. After, place the placenta at the basin and to be inspected later. The inside. Hello ma'am, I am going to report the third stage of labor, which is the delivery of the placenta. Placenta will deliver spontaneously after delivery. Oxytocin, usually ordered to be administered intramuscularly or intravenously to the mother. Such medication increases uterine contraction and thereby minimizes uterine bleeding. Perineal repair. After delivery of the placenta, if an episiotomy was performed, the woman needs stitches put into place. Two separate phases. A. Placental separation and B. Placental expulsion. Placental separation has four phases: lengthening of the cord, sudden gush of the blood per vagina, the placenta is visible at the vaginal opening, the uterus contracts and feels firm again. B. Placental expulsion. First is Creed's maneuver. Gently pressure applied on mother's abdomen during a strong contraction to aid placental expulsion. Brandt-Andrews maneuver. Mechanical traction applied to placenta for delivery. Forceps. Procedures. Third stage. Administration of oxytocin and metrogen to combat bleeding and help contract uterus. Episiotomy. Repair of episiotomy. Laceration may be sutured by trained nurses. Inspect, wait, and collect blood sample from placenta as required. Creed's prophylaxis. Applying ophthalmic to newborn's conjunctiva as needed, when needed or necessary. Oxytocin and metrogens. Administration. Inspect and weight placenta 1/6. Identify the three vessels. Signs of placenta separation. Mechanism of placenta separation. Brandt-Andrews maneuvers. Creed's maneuver. Creed's prophylaxis. That are those important points to remember. So, in checking the placenta, it should be circular shape or heart shape because it might cause placental fragment, cause postpartum bleeding. Then, the use of ophthalmic ointment is to prevent ophthalmia neonotorum or pinkish eyes that cause chlamydia. Then, in umbilical cord, it has three vessels. One is vein and two arteries that nourish the baby, exchanging blood, oxygen, and nutrients. That's all. Thank you.